Direct replacement. This tailgate striker bolt matches the fit and function of the factory part on specified years, makes and models. Ideal solution. This bolt is a reliable replacement for an original part that is missing or has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This tailgate striker bolt is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance. This tailgate striker bolt is designed to match the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Right part and quality. Very easy to install. Remove tail lights, which is 2 screws number 30 Torx 15mm socket. Took 10 minutes for both sides. They work great.